Hi DVC fan, Paul and Amy here, and we are excited to show you around Riviera Resort in a Deluxe Studio Standard View. This is actually our first time staying in a studio at Riviera. We've experienced the Tower Studio and the one bedroom, but we're really excited to try out this type of room. If you love our content, please give some support to our sponsors, DVC Resale Market, where you can buy that resale contract, Monera Financial, who can help you finance it, and DVC Rental Store, where you can try before you buy or rent out some of your own points. All right, so our Deluxe Studio is a little different than most in that we got a dedicated Deluxe Studio, which means that there is no door that goes into a one-bedroom lock-off. I typically really love dedicated studios because it tends to be a little bit quieter. So instead of a door right here, we have this bonus mirror and just a little extra space in case we need to have some luggage or something sitting in this corner. I really love how open this hallway is. All right, so we've got this large closet. We've got the extra pillows and a steam iron at the top. There's a lot of hanging space here. And then you can see we've got some extra pillows they just brought us, and we've got some of our luggage here. I also really like that they provided us with a laundry basket. It's a foldable one. That's always a great way to store some of your dirty clothes throughout the week. But this is a really big closet. Now, I don't know if we got a bigger one because of the dedicated studio, but really, really nice size closet here. We have a split bathroom. This is very similar to Grand Floridian Deluxe Studios, where we have a tub shower combination over here. And we've also got the H2O pumps for the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We've got a nice sink over here, a lot of countertop space. And then on the other side, we've got the toilet, and then we've got this huge walk-in shower. And it even has a beautiful rain shower head, an additional shower head, and then there's a bench as well as the H2O products in the pumps. Okay, so on my right, there is a huge mirror. So that's going to be great for getting ready. And then this has got to be one of my favorite studio kitchenettes. It is just a really nice size, a really good layout. There's a lot of countertop space. The backsplash is beautiful. This is a Cuisinart coffee pot. And then I really love this cupboard here, and something else I noticed is that there is actually real dishes in here, which we don't have very often in Deluxe Studios. So actual bowls, plates, real silverware, and of course the ceramic mugs. And the mini fridge here does have a really tiny freezer space right here at the top, but it is a good size fridge. All right, so we have a queen size bed. And then we've got two nightstands, and because Riviera is a little newer, there is plenty of charging. So on each side of the bed, there is a plug that has two USB outlets and then two regular outlets. Okay, a lot of your storage in this room is going to be related to the bed. So we've got some drawers in the front here where you can store some clothing. On the side, you'll notice that there is space to slide your luggage. And then there's also 3 drawers in each of the nightstands. All right, because this room sleeps 5, we do have this 5th sleeper, and it's pretty easy to pull down on your own. I just did that with one hand mostly. And we've got this beautiful tangled artwork. All right, nice big screen TV with the newer setup. And then we've also got some additional charging down here, 2 USBs and 2 regular plugs. All right, we've got a nice table and chairs, and I actually think these are some of the more comfortable chairs in a DVC room that we've had. A nice mirror here with some additional charging. And then I also really love the curtains over here. They've got the double R's for Riviera, so that's very, very pretty. All right, so we've got a nice couch. I was really excited to see some throw pillows. I love the splash of color that they provide. We do have a kind of low to the ground coffee table here, and on my side there are 2 extra drawers in that coffee table. And then we've got the Murphy bed, and I think the artwork is really pretty, but I did not realize this until Paul pointed it out, so he's very observant. This is a Cars themed artwork, so Lightning McQueen is over here, and then you can see the car. That's pretty cool. Okay, so in our Grand Floridian tour, we mentioned how in the Tower Studio, the Murphy bed has lights, and it also has charging inside, which probably it needs it since there isn't a whole lot of space for anything else. But here, there are no lights. There's no charging or anything like that. Whereas the Murphy bed at Boulder Ridge and Grand Floridian did have a light inside of it. All right, sometimes you book a standard view and you don't get the best view, and it's lightning right now. But that is the case with us. We're kind of on this roof thing. There's some mechanical stuff outside. But I will tell you that we do have some pretty plants and foliage. It is very private over here. And we are on the end, so we don't have any neighbors on the side of us. So I don't dislike the room. It's actually a very nice spot. Okay, so let's talk about the points. It is a Tuesday, and we're in May, so we're kind of in the middle of the seasons. And so we paid 17 points for tonight. If it were a weekend, we would have paid 19. And you can get this room for as little as 14 points. So I know Riviera kind of gets, people say that it has a higher point chart. It can, especially for the Preferred View Deluxe Studios. But the Standard View, especially some of the lower seasons, not that bad for points. All right, that's it for us. Thank you for joining us. We are going to get ready to head over to Moonlight Magic at Typhoon Lagoon. It is going to be both of our first times at Typhoon Lagoon, my first time ever at a Disney water park. As always, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also join in the conversation over on the DVC Fan Facebook group and on dvcfan.com.